stop them from being here. You guys are gonna have to figure something out. Are you able to stay somewhere else for tonight?
No, I'm staying in another room and she's staying to another room. So this is my house. She doesn't have the right to kick me out. This is my house. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's nothing much we can do for you.
Yeah.
You guys,
So some happens and we can work with it. It sucks to say that, but we can only do so much.
you guys just need to stay apart from each other.
No,
until
me,
this is done.
I went out. And then when I came, I go straight to the room.
You not
Then I
there.
locked
You
the
went
room.
out one. You went out.
I locked the room. And
You
then I
locked
was
the room, but I
sleeping.
have my stuff inside.
And she comes outside and she call you guys.
Okay, well, I guess go back in the room.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. Yeah. Hello, sir.
Hello, what's going on between you and your wife?
I really don't know. And I'm surprised why she called you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you threaten her at all?
No, I don't know why she called you guys.
Was there an argument at all?
This morning, this afternoon, tonight, at any point today, was there any type of argument at all?
No, we didn't have an argument today.
Talk the truth. Stop lying. Talk the truth.
I don't know why she called you guys.
Well, apparently she's scared of you for whatever reason.
What she said? What she said?
That y'all had an argument and that you threatened her.
No,
and that she's scared
why
of
she
you.
say? I don't know. This is my
I'm
house.
trying to explain it to you.
Yeah.
She's saying she's scared of you. Y'all had an argument. You allegedly threatened her. I guess you're mad over child support and that you haven't been staying here for a month. Have you been staying here all this time?
She's lying. This is my house.
Have you been staying here?
No, but we did have argument. That is 2 or 3 weeks ago. Then I go out. I didn't want to have a problem with her. That is the reason I go out to rent a room. Then I'm back now. This is my house. And I don't know why she called you.
Okay. So you haven't had an argument with her?
No, today I just came now. No. Let me call the kids and then they can.
Let the kids sleeping tomorrow. They're going to school. They are going to school.
They need to witness this one.
They never been here. Leave them
Why do
to
they need to
sleep.
be awake?
Huh?
You don't have to wait the kids. I don't need their side of the story. Is there any way y'all can just stay separated for tonight?
No, why? This is my house here.
No. I'm saying like
So-
stay separate. Like you stay.
She's sleeping there.
That's what
I'm
that's what I
sleeping
mean.
there.
I'm
So
not
yeah.
kicking you out.
Yeah.
This is your house. I can't.
Yeah,
force you.
yeah.
I'm saying if you stay in your room,
Yeah.
she stays wherever she stays.
Yeah,
Stay
this,
there.
yeah, I'm staying there and then she's staying there.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're free to go back to your room.
Yeah, I don't know why she called you
I
guys.
don't need that. That's what I'm trying to figure
Yeah.
out. This is silly.
Thank you.